Mutations. Probably when you hear this word, the first thing that comes to mind is the X-Men saving the world with their superpowers. Nevertheless, I mean a whole different thing. As you know, DNA is the basis for humankind's existence. In a few words, a sequence of nucleotides, sugar and phosphorus linked to the nitrogenous bases. If DNA is repetition after repetition, then why do we get mutations? I am Brisa Torres and this is Mutations 101. Gene mutations can be classified in two groups: hereditary or germline mutations and acquired or somatic mutations. The first ones come from our parents and are present in every cell in our body. They can be found in the egg or in sperm cells. When these two cells unite, the resulting fertilized egg will have the DNA from both parents. If this DNA has a mutation, the child will have this mutation throughout his whole life. On the other hand, unacquired mutations, they happen at some point on a person's life. They occur thanks to UV radiation or when there is an error while the DNA copies itself. These mutations cannot be inherited. First of all, our whole genetic information can be summarized in 4 letters: A, T, C, and G, the capital letters of the nitrogenous bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Mutations happen all the time. Evolution has been possible thanks to them. They happen when the 4 nitrogenous bases do not combine as they should. Even though every cell has enzymes to check and correct mistakes, they are not 100% effective. How can we benefit from mutations? Gene editing with CRISPR technology. It is done by inserting a cut or break in the DNA and tricking a cell's natural DNA repair mechanisms into introducing the changes one wants. It has been applied in the food and agricultural industries to engineer probiotic cultures and to vaccinate industrial cultures against viruses. It is also used in crops to improve yield, drought tolerance, and nutritional properties. Studies using in vitro and animal models of the human genome have demonstrated that the technology is effective in correcting genetic defects. Despite the ethical controversy this new tool has caused, we can now correct mistakes on the genome. We can avoid undesired traits and enhance others. Who knows, maybe the future generations will be the X-Men and our world will be safe and sound.